What's up guys, welcome to Track Use. In today's episode we're going to be installing an oil cooler kit from Jackson Racing, and after that we're going to be doing a full maintenance on the car. Engine oil, transmission oil, diff oil, maybe spark plugs. That's going to depend on how much time we have. That's pretty much it. Let's see how it goes.
Let's go.
Before filming the intro, we got the car up on the lift and drained all the fluids when they were still warming up.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name or face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall. Calling to the better of the halves of me.
First thing we need to do to install the oil cooler is removing the front bumper.
Got a heart that I can salvage, but
We're also going to be relocating the wiper fluid filler neck and the horn.
I know
After that, we're removing the driver's side headlight and the airbox assembly.
could have anything you wanted it all for your fool's gold. And I know well why deaf and half blind. You could get anything you wanted. Yeah, I would have handed it all over falling for you. I would fall for you.
After cleaning the surface, we're installing the spacer and the oil cooler adapter that come with the kit. It is now time to loosely connect the lines and route them towards the front of the car and also mount the cooler.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name to face. My fault, but when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul.
To make future oil changes easier, we got this Fumoto oil drain valve. It comes with a washer, but if you're reusing the stock drain plug, make sure to replace your washer. We fill the engine with oil, let the car run for a little bit, and check for leaks. As Brian was doing that, I replaced the front plastic grille with a new one that didn't have any holes in it for a cleaner look. After that, we put the bumper back on and started filling up the transmission and the diff with new fluid. We came back the next day to do the spark plugs. With the maintenance done, we're finally ready to hit the track. This weekend, we're going to Toronto Motorsports Park for a shakedown and we'll be documenting the whole experience. That video is going to be out really soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.